Alright guys, we gotta get all the cars. Sick satin black McLaren C8 Corvette on wheels, you see that. Gorgeous paint. R8, rated R. Black and gold Huracan. Got an AMG GT blue, new wheels on it. M4 comp. LC500. Maserati, AMG GT. R8. 570S. AMG GT. Huracan. I believe that's a 570. A sick McLaren. I don't know what this one is. Huracan Technica i8. Porsche Cayman. M4 CS GTR. Absolutely nuts. GTR. Huracan Technica. Maserati MC. McLaren. R8 V10. AMG GT. M4 CS. And Lee's sick i8. Whew. What a lineup. Yo, Ops, can you rev it? Oh my God. Just some gravel. Alright. I'll keep it running for a little bit. Alright guys, we're gonna get out and just say hi to everyone else that's here. I can introduce you to everyone. So right next to us, before we get out, I'll just give you a rundown, is Valerie. Yeah. Her McLaren, the license plate says McCracken. Or McCarran. Too funny. That is it's tuned. It has the loudest pops of any car I've ever heard. It sounds absolutely unreal. All right, we got another Huracan Technica coming in. That looks fucking crazy, black and gold. And then, yeah, I'll turn the valves off. We'll get out and I'll introduce you to some guys, Davis, and girls. Hey, Valerie, how's it going? Can you give it a rev? When we're driving, we'll definitely hear it.
Yeah, they won't let me go past 1,000 right now.
Gorgeous as always.
Hey, babe, you want to sit here? Give it the
Oh, dude.
You acting to me like that?
No, I was telling him, let's do launch control and then you pull up. So I was already in it, you know what I mean? This is Davis, by the way.
Yeah.
Oh, you met him? Okay, okay. Valerie. Congrats, man. Clint, nice to see you, bro.
Broke my fingers.
Oh, I'm sorry. This is my friend Davis.
Cool.
Davis, this is Clint.
What's up, man?
Valerie's
Nice to meet you. My finger taped up.
partner with Valerie. Do you guys just call yourself like long-term? Are you married? Is it just long-term? Yeah, married. Yeah, I'm sorry, yeah.
I
never know what to say. Oh, thank you, man.
Awesome.
I have it for sale. It's $3,500 from Adro. I sell it for $1,100, and it does fit the F82. So if you're ever thinking about it, let me know.
Yeah, yours looks so good. It's tempting.
Let's check out the CS, dude. The taillights, the OLEDs, fucking sick.
So it's done. So
It's done up?
Dining catback, single mid pipe, catless down pipes, tune, charge pipes.
You had it for like 2 months?
Tune, start pipes, and intake. So it's...
Oh, I love the blue buttons on the...
So it's fucking perfect, like...
The wheels are sick too.
Yeah, I love them.
Oh yes, blue intakes, blue hardware.
I mean, everything is just done.
I love that they used to come with this carbon fiber strut brace. They don't do that anymore. That's fucking sick. Turner Motorsports.
Yeah, and it just sounds...
The charge.
so much better.
That is badass, dude.
Yeah.
Damn. That's not how it came, did it?
No, so it's just steel, and then that's just an accent plate.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
Jeez. How are you, man? Andre? Romy.
Romy, nice.
Andre?
Yeah, Andre,
Got you.
yeah.
My friend Davis is with me.
Okay.
Yeah. What you roll up in?
Oh, the McLaren.
Oh, whoa, beautiful. This is Andre's McLaren, guys. Is this a wrap or paint? Oh my goodness. This is the new Huracan Technica, guys. Looks absolutely crazy. This is Lee's i8, looking beautiful with the green. How are you, Lee? Thanks for hosting this.
Oh yeah, for sure, man. It should be pretty fun.
I couldn't find any info on Facebook or anything. It's kind of low key. They're doing it low key.
So all right, so I'm gonna tell everybody once we have everyone together. So it's a private event. It's one of my buddy's birthday party.
Nice.
And he invited like a bunch of different people, and so he's like, oh, you know, bring the cars out.
Yeah.
It's at a country club, and country clubs can be very problematic in terms of like, you know, what they allow, like dress wise or whatever.
Yeah.
So if it gets too crazy like that, I mean, regardless, we're gonna go to Pseudos.
Okay.
Which is business.
Yeah. DJ spot? DJ Biz?
DJ Biz,
Yeah. So Stockbridge area.
Stockbridge area.
Yeah. This is Davis. He's a golfer, so I think he knows the country club. He's my friend.
You might be able to do a round out there.
Yeah, you might be able to do a round out there. Oh yeah, there's the airfield around here. Peachtree DeKalb Airfield. It's a good turnout so far, guys. Yes, you absolutely can. Especially when, like, the way I would feel it is, before, when you're taking a sharp left turn at speed, the car would not be angled into it. Now it's pushed into the turn. So the tires have so much more like actual contact that you feel that the tire is gripping instead of it's understeering, so you have to actually like wrangle it. It's just a more smoother motion into a sharp turn. When you're going at speed, the car is also just like flat. So instead of driving in the stiffest settings for the suspension, I drive in the comfort setting for the suspension now because it's already getting pushed down from the wing. We painted the end plates frozen black, and then I put a few of the tracks on here, and then Brian with the STO gave me that thing.
Yeah, that's awesome. Are you gonna do that? We're doing the Road Atlanta J Zilla track day in September.
Okay. I'm in between jobs right now, so hopefully I'm just focused on that and just try to conserve my money, but I would definitely do that if I get into it.
Yeah, it was a crazy deal. It was like $350.
What?
Per day.
Yeah, I would just do like one day. That'd be sick. Or
So
I'm not sure you do it both days.
Sunday,
yeah.
Work Saturday. Yeah. Just been watching POV videos.
Dude, yeah.
Cannot wait.
Oh, there is I think it's called like an Osmo or something like that, and it clips to your hat. It's much smaller than a GoPro because this can become a little bit irritating.
Yeah.
And Road Atlanta has no restrictions on using cameras. AMP can be really annoying. They don't allow cameras on the helmet anymore, apparently.
Oh, really?
Yeah, well, good to see you, man. Car looking beautiful, man.
I got my buddy Ajon here.
Oh, hey, Ajon.
Custom rugs.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Cars and anything you need.
Yeah.
So he's getting ready to do something for my Lambo.
Oh, hell yeah.
Yeah. So I told him to
For the interior?
Huh?
For the interior rug?
Yeah, he's gonna do interior. He's gonna do black and yellow. Yeah.
And I love the plate. Waiting for you.
Wait for you. I'm waiting for you. So you can do whatever you gotta do to measure it out.
Yes.
Oh, that's the M4, right?
Yeah, I'm Romy, by the way. What was your name again? Imani, got it.
Yes, I love M4.
Oh, thank you. Clint has the M4 CS as well.
Right now.
Oh, yeah. Okay, yeah.
It's my daughter.
Oh, Imani. Okay, nice to meet you. Yeah, come check out the interior if you want.
Oh my gosh, you can be on it. Wow. Oh, you got parking seats, okay.
Yeah. If you want to sit in it to see how they feel, go for it. You know what I mean?
Oh, I test drove one.
Oh, yeah.
It was so nice. But when I walked in, 3 other people walked in to buy it too.
What?
And right when we signed the papers saying we were to buy it, someone else came and bought it.
Yeah, dude, we was getting last week. We went out, we was getting ready to sign
The
papers.
2-door, not the 4-door.
Yeah, the 2-door.
That's surprising.
Yes.
Most people are going for the 4-door. They're not going for the
Yeah,
2-door.
they're going for the M3, but the M4, I like the M4 better.
I like the M4.
Yeah.
Did you see what I did at the front?
Huh?
What'd you do?
I did a little
This is not
pinstriping.
your original one, right? You got rid
No,
of the
this is
other
my third one.
one? This is the third one.
I did a little gold
Gold
striping.
stripe, just like.
Yeah, yeah,
Oh,
yeah,
look at that.
That
Yes.
looks nice.
That's dope, man. That's nice.
yeah.
Very nice. Yeah, that's one of the first things I noticed when I was standing off. I was like, oh, we got the same.
Dude, this
color.
goes perfectly together.
Yes, they do. So we got to stay together. Nice. Yeah.
Hell yeah.
And
Alright,
that,
guys, we're gonna get ready to get out of here. Squad is lining up, looks like it. Let's see if we can go around to the behind of them. And I'm gonna try to get into the front because I don't want a shitload of rock chips from these fat ass tires on supercars getting on the car. We got the Insta360 recording. We got the GoPro recording. Should be a good time. We were waiting on him, he just got here. Open the windows a little bit for some airflow. Go into comfort for chassis and steering. Turn the burbles off because we're going to a golf club. Let's see if we'll make it. Oh yes, Rich blocked. Oh boy, this is gonna be freaking terrorists on the road. Oh man, they're whipping it. This is gonna be fun. Oh, I didn't even see the R8. So that is the McLaren, the ultimate McLaren, sick wing, full exhaust. Oh, let's hear it. Sounds mean. Oh. Too nice, too nice. Oh man, that thing is way faster than this car. Got a beautiful lineup coming on the left side. What? Woo! Sounds sick too. Oh, that's deep. You just see like flashes of color. See if they're still there. Hopefully the Insta360 is still on the car. But still the McLaren.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Some absolutely ridiculous content right now.
Yeah, this is amazing.
I'm glad you could come, dude.
Yeah, this is awesome. I appreciate the advice.
It's not like this is every weekend, but sometimes it lines up and everything is good.
Yeah, not many days you have a GTR blocking traffic.
Hopefully he makes it back. I think he's coming in the left lane. I'm really not worried for me. I'm worried for anyone else who's like new to the group, like trying to maneuver. I'm worried for my Insta360, I'll tell you that. Oh, there, Clint's finally behind us in the M4 CS. That's sick. Caught up. That's sick. Looks amazing in motion.
Our wing is crazy.
This is literally Fast and Furious combined with Need for Speed. And there's so many different cars out. McLaren, Maserati, GTR, i8, M4, Lambos, R8s, AMG GTs, McLarens. I don't know if I said that already. LC500 Lexus, which is a sick car. It has a V8. As soon as you open the window, there's so much exhaust noise that Oh, we're gonna truck with the hazard lights on. Okay, that sounded crazy. Got a V8 with an exhaust on it. Oh boy. And that's a satin paint. I don't think it's like a metallic paint. like, where are these cars coming from? Sounded outrageous.
Yeah, it did.
Right on the highway exchange. Oh, that's a little bit faster than I'm comfortable with. Hopefully they all got over it. The brakes are crazy too. Truck up ahead on the left lane. The cop was probably right there before. Crazy lineup. Take a breather, wait for everyone to catch up. Might be a cop here. starts to move, it kind of helps me.
Yeah.
I know where he's going, so I'm like, all right. It looks gorgeous. Woo! That thing is low, man. Slam. For over a year, that car wasn't running, so I'm sure he's so happy to have it out.
Oh, man.
Guys, it is hot, 97. The humidity is high today because yesterday we had a rainstorm come through. That's why it's so muggy. Interesting looking SUV for sure. It's lifted with like small wheels, big tires. Okay. This is a real test of the Insta360. Hot, humid, very fast. Crazy to see the lineup of cars in the rearview mirror. They're on my lane, so I can see them. You can see them too, I think. one more is coming. Guys, we're almost at the country club. We pulled up to the gas station. Little gas station takeover real quick. The GTR might be running hot. I did not even see the green McLaren on the road. Absolutely nuts. It sounds so good, man.